I'm not an AI expert, although I play one on TV. I am, on the other hand, someone who thinks a lot about how these trends that disrupt every aspect of what it means to live, work, connect, how they are impacted by human factors. And then how do we take advantage of them so that it leads to human thriving rather than just leads to another round of a technology that ends up controlling us rather than us controlling it. And I think what isn't helpful is a question of whether it's going to end up destroying the world. We don't know. We've seen Terminator 2, but what we do know is that right now, AI is in the infancy of what is a cataclysmic and once in 500 years level of transformation. And so the question is, how do you make use of it? And I think there's a few principles. The first area I would look is to get good outputs, it has to have good inputs. And so how do I get better? Through practice, repetition, effort at what I'm prompting AI to provide so that I am able to efficiently get good information. Because right now, you can end up spending 3 times as long working with AI, and I know that because I have, to generate what, if you'd just written it up, would have not taken that long. And so that's the first piece. The second piece is, where do humans provide value as AI takes over more? And what we know so far is that AI doesn't create new ideas. It doesn't connect unrelated things in new creative ways. And I think that's actually going to be where people can provide unique value. There's a ChatGPT with my name on it that I can ask it to prepare a speech based on a conference call, and it puts the outline at a dangerous level, which is kind of scary, right? But here's what it won't do. It won't know about that story from a totally different industry with a totally different challenge and how it relates over here. It won't know that if I actually combined an outdoor play that I did when I was a program director at a camp at 22 years old with this executive team's challenges, that unique, unrelated set of worlds actually comes together to create a powerful experience. And so it's actually by more creatively connecting the unrelated that humans will be able to leverage AI to make more efficient the development of great ideas, great offerings, great services, great products. It actually makes me optimistic because you know what isn't fun? Spending your entire day writing emails and spending your entire day having to do relatively meaningless work staring at a computer. And AI has the potential to knock out a large percentage of the crap that no human was meant to be doing anyways.